The superfood to lose weight, salmon. The modern North American diet is rich in saturated fats, deep-fried foods, and high sugar drinks. Cola, alcohol, and fast food have all taken their toll on the overall health and fitness of the North American population. Now a full 2/3 of the population is considered overweight or obese, with nearly 10% of the population being morbidly obese. The mere mention of a change in diet immediately instills fears of ultra-strict calorie pinching and meal planning, yet it does not have to be so. The right combination of foods, combined with moderate physical activity, is all that one needs to get back into shape and back on track with their health. Salmon is one food that carries the weight of the world on its shoulders. High in lean protein, amino acids, creatine, and essential fatty acids, salmon is the perfect food for someone looking to gain lean muscle mass and ditch some stored fat. Hello and welcome to our series on superfoods. In this video, we will tell you how salmon is one of the best superfoods and how it should be incorporated into your diet plan. For more health tips and great videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification for our latest videos. Salmon is the common name for several species of fish from the Salmonidae family. Their flesh is generally red, but there are some white-fleshed wild salmon. Let us see how nutritious salmon is. A 4-ounce fillet of salmon contains almost half your daily supply of most essential nutrients, such as vitamins B12 and B3. It also contains over 80% of your daily intake of omega-3 fatty acids and a full day's supply of vitamin D. What's best is that it does all of this while only packing 261 lean, worry-free calories. How does salmon help you? The consumption of salmon supplies your body with a steady and easily digested serving of lean protein. This allows your muscles the opportunity and resources to develop without adding the layers of fat to go with it. The eventual result, over a decent period, is the creation of lean muscle mass and a reduction in fat stores across the body. Though the consumption of salmon alone will not decrease your body fat index, if it replaces other, high-calorie and high-fat meals, it will certainly get you off to a great start. The omega-3 acids and high vitamin content of salmon also give your body an edge cardio-wise. Your heart will pump healthier and more efficiently, and your risk for various heart diseases will be significantly reduced. Incorporating salmon into your diet. There are many sources of salmon, such as fresh salmon fillets or canned salmon. There are many varieties of wild salmon, though we have become particularly fond of the deep, rich taste of Alaskan wild salmon. Replacing 2 or 3 high-fat meals with a salmon-based one every week is all it takes to enjoy the numerous benefits associated with salmon. Like most things, there are thousands of different and creative ways to prepare salmon, so search around for a recipe that tickles your taste buds. Salmon is a versatile, hard-working part of a healthy lifestyle. It can be prepared a million different ways, and it always tastes great. The best part, however, is knowing that you can enjoy salmon without having to feel guilty. So let's start our journey to a healthy life by adding a little salmon to our meal plans. To get more information about superfoods, losing weight, and health from our experts, please click the link provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.